said the MD can't Asante Kotoko legends. We started from somewhere. In Kakra, Yababidwa. I am not coming to say, sorry, but cameraman. Oliver, wow. Oliver, also about yes. Yes. Hello.
Oh, nice.
I think the idea of Yenina come together to care for ourselves is long overdue. But in Kakra, any peniphobi, any of my advice, we are through to this level. Maybe na nipa kakra bi Zito a friend from Accra. No, so let me begin
from some
Accra. Sir, the person can't just a little history about how we came about this legend. Sir, I didn't know 1784 EMBA platform so that a bit me to see a home can. Now, a dear home. You buy and pay a dear probably sometimes, a Syria will be shared waiting common over three. So, I easy tension, any stress. So, kind of so it's a good idea. Where do we start? The air commands for any by 5. I'm a Roxon, Ayakasum, Opoku, Mohammed Odun. Yes, near Kushia, near B platform. Within 2 weeks, I say, Zito, say yes, and only 78 for the why? I didn't know I extended. Nayan will be our walk to Korea. Say, because it's 78. Now, I said, you're confined here. Let's open it. Now, I'm going to go. Kayana, yet yes, within the shortest possible time, you need 50. In Kakranka, 100. In Kakranka, see, we are getting to about 200 on the platform. So, but the main idea behind it is say, Obiama one Sria, one Casasri. So, Obiama one Sria, one Casancasa, necessary. It's unfortunate, a Drew baby and I said the profession as a footballer, we are not recognized. We are when we. There's nothing good about you. Sana nipabi ehuni yen. Say ye can someone ye fire and come be. Now sometimes ana metiwana media we ho. Sisi I said topic bia ba na say discuss yi levia. Ye discuss yi levia. One e be free footballer say on fa na dwene pamra. Finance for na be free wo. Say company say yes say bar association or committee na one na be free wo lawyers. So when you talk about football industry, you are the football people, and we matter. See, I can't be about football. I necessary consulting, but unfortunately, we won't see a quacophobia or a lawyer. No about the issue. No my instructions. Many are no more a vision and cosro than One day we will get there. CCI, the whole world, FIFA president, Infantino, or a retired footballer. Infantino, or a retired footballer. I don't know Opoku in a country. Platini, Womanina, Europe, Womanina, heading institutions. CCI back Africa, Cameroon, Etu, president somewhere. And then one guy becomes a Kenyan. Kalusha. Once he was the president. Bekemboa. I mean, say you can mention them. George Weah, while Razak is a politician, and he's now a president. And Ukrampo the area. I'm talking about the football industry. I didn't necessarily now Obi a teacher and ever children said he's here football. Very, very unfortunate. Obi was ska or a year Galamsia, no way or Niska. Now I take football team. Now about the coach is there, or Mamma Yen, the team on from Mano. No, about what you can't first of selections. I mean, say yeah, trans but we are not going to be a pressure group. We are not going to be a pressure group. We are starting from somewhere, and one day we will get there. May I encourage you, Yemubia, moye coaches, moyere mo ho. She said the world is changing. The world is changing, and we also have to change if you want to be in the system, if you want to be current. She says a winning license you can't coach a premier team in Ghana. So if you are a coach, as I say, update you, said about wait to me, a coach premier team. Now you recognize you. And more, person call into administration. She said, the legend has come to stay. And there were so many ideas. I better not hear near doing say and your food a coaching. We have so many departments in the football industry. And for that matter, no, so be to so be a coach, that is your interest, go there. If you want to go into administration, fine, go there. Now we want to promise you. Say nyame yen aduma de way ye nyoma ne ye ekono. A bedroom baby ness ye financially sound. Ye be pese ye be cater from some of you people. Ye be boa normal call into capacity building. And your coaching course in that area is nina. Young fan and cemetery, semi a retired footballer. Now me decided say me call into camera videoing. Na me kuta camera na me video a match. Can't you see say and no man me capture no e be yasin say obi a sebe on free football mu na we decided say obe cameraman na wo twa. I mean in Africa so we approach but in Africa here we be owning football here on never ever capture a match at a sports stadium. Na baby a ball no one action no one na camera no at the baby. I am encouraging every one of us. Say industry no is very, very wide. Any place that you choose, person will come. Oh my tia. Na as I say a boa, ye baboa. Na yako ye name. Oh, so we're connecting. So my brothers, say share ha ye baba bagwindwin. Ekwanya ye be fa so a legends ye betumpon na ye effective. Sisi a nyame enchade we are being recognized, but awo ye ankasa ya Asante Kotoko na ye boy no edru mre bi no na ye mu bi no ye mpese ye beba nia Kotoko kura nso ye na ye boy na yama associate club na aba betu samre obi wo ha obo Kotoko since 70 something 60s 80s 90s 2000 ni aba na aba besi ha na ye ka say ye se de odi akire no osua de odi kan nante de odi akire no esua de odi kan nante se yen ya ye boy ye no na o ma edi akire na o mo ba no se e wa advice bi ase se ye de ma wo mo a hwanum na de be ma wo mo ye na ye de be ma wo mo but when we are far from the team no nature say ye nya effective ye ntumi impact be bia on the team but thank God say at this time no officially the management, the board has recognized us. The technical team has recognized us. Now, a quite a fast way they buy, made them who say this legend, is divine. Coach, current coach, Prosper Ogun. Time or yeah, head coach, Asante Kotoko. I don't know who advised him. No one or Frey, say. Oba santimama baba ye adwuma ono na aba be coach Kotoko na me say Kotoko coach na o say an na bibia na no so on timi mba ma ye adwuma wo asantiman mu na the legends ye aye Kotoko na ye jae no oni ye nhia nti obepese oni ye be hia na me say wow, this is a mystery and it's long overdue. Ya mencha de e frame penifo ni bi Coach Malik ka ho, Frimpong Manso, and others. Any Koko Kushiano, and any kind, and any Kasai. Hello? Hello? Yes. Master.
Gabriel,
Are you not breaking?
I know somebody and if you.
Yes. Inti your name coach Prosper Ogum Kokushia. Or my own plans are or the Bakotoko. Na yeso yedi emano. Ye children acquire or Bafaswa or be successful in Kotoko. If it's a Yemubi enim Kotoko history, any baby a free Yababa Bedri, Tiene Transi. And so a bear 1 week, and another call to buy. Nana ya amponsa, or see you. And I'm saying, Nana, the way they then, why you are now so 1 year, or per se, or who say legends in your kind of one boom to a person Baby Shia, nay, and in Kokoshia, your kind of plans, any supporter between the Ama woman, Nina, no, so, legends may will be Mamma, na Mamma America Crebi. Within 2 weeks' time, no, San Frame View, near San Kokoshiano. Or say we seek a sponsor for us. Now every match be a Kotoko bebo baby a home and away na when be a babyano Kotoko Bama 4,000. And that man no high sense and na ebetweska saskana mai. Wow. Nature say enoma ekoso. And no naturally Sisi match ya boy, ye bo how many matches? About 34 matches. Kotoko winning 18. Ana mebo 18. 18, yes. So if you multiply 18 by 4, so that's can you now mutia de amai. Aka only one hand standing. It is can you now we account so. We are building up. We are koyenim. So we need all of you. We need all of you. Here will be our support. Your Baba started with the agenda no. Obia what idea bia, obia what reservation bia, obia what question bia, you are free. So we bisa. Niye nyina ya kan adwena bom. Niye move on. Madam Asi. Yo, Sisia yebeko to our agenda for today. Said the media can legends has come to stay. Now, as I say, your inauguration, so that society will say we exist. And don't you know, and you be shared as an executive, a committee of 5 people. Our own by pinning, baby, I be inauguration, and need the local to say the Abba share way. Nipa 5 no by normal the budgets, and so they are coming. Na ya papa koshia na inauguration no ebe inauguration kum fundraising ya de ebe inviting go for omo yes that's Kotoko ebe invite wo na ya fundraising kakra ya de account as at now no ya wusika kakra wo when you do finance so ya beda na di akira any time paper bi ekura mo ya di amama wo edun pempen su bi so no sebe Kasa Asante Kotoko legend ebeta duabi na ebeta tumi bi na esese ye koda ye hu akire otumfo Asante Kotoko wura ye buku appointment we take be 2 months ansa na ye tumi akọ fortunately ye koye no na na se moya ade pa ensema ye kan ye de bebere mentumi kan nyina wa si de ma ye de se mi wure na firi mu a enne de makai mu se mu wo like I say, a baby near you free and crowd. So, crow right with a few, yeah. Like I say, oh, my can you be flew. Now, on my assurance, say what I eat. Now, the say you will be at the Bebois, Asante Kotoko, near the corners woman in the cry, young family, young family tuning. Nina actually, no. The crowns and an idea be shower, was say, Monji, where I'm from Kotum foot to, and I gave us 100,000 Ghana cedis. You feel also so you call President Kufu, or being the former board chairman, on Yako Strano, on so MIB Kakra. Ye flew ho na Yakokushia, former president Mahama, on so MIB Kakra. See your plans be free, but I'm saying your inauguration into baby or what I say Yantimen Koi. Into ye Nipanuma, or ever planning the inauguration and then fundraising. Now, fundraising within the shortest possible time. You be inauguration and fundraising. I don't know, say, yeah. Minton family and discuss and answer you move up another agenda. And I say, Minko, so we are maybe we better pick a and I discuss agenda, inauguration should be once and can. Then we move on. What do you think? You move on and
I think discuss the agenda first.
Yes. Done. I see you discuss agenda no. Ebi adwuma wo ye na biesi. Edan ya wotimu na ahye. Nyame mfa sam famba. So we it might happen to all of us. A bit might be a movie. Obi wo kra maybe wo trade. O to kwanya kwa find your mama. Na bia ko business kare nyina ahye. Now he has to start from class 1 P1. Ni nyina ese to wo nyina. That is why we are here. And you to say, yeah, emphasize it's for our welfare. And basically, yare football, and I'm saying purely physical, Opia, Wabobor, Bibi Kakra, or Poncha Kakra, or Poncha Kakra. Now, as you grow, no, 60 years ago, 70 coronets have been a wedding. Dear someone, Sasi cannot be careful. Nipa ni biwa me pese me bubotin ya boapo ayi de Samson apia de meka na ya da nyame ase for his life ball point onya injury e won spinal cord na doctor assess no na onya operation doctor assess no na keso be hia operation the doctor no continue say oh yeah like I say ebe cost no 45,000 Ghana cedi 450 million old Ghana cedis that's go you go funny and so kakran they to platform so 100 to 200 we kakran sa na yetumi nya 22 million 22,000 legends 220 million legends. Wow. Now, a friend one board chairman be in person me bonnet to know ha. Or say Kennedy share me or has it. Be share no I say Tuesday. My being share me our office or Accra. Me ma drew quiet no assign 10,000 Ghana cedi mo fan ko kan ho. And no free wa na ono ankasa ne brother. Meanwhile no ye diagnose no na take 1 year or da ho tifie because of this canity. 1 year. 1 year. But thank God, we started say ye move as legends, the plight, no. Then we have to intervene immediately. Thank God, she say what we have for steps above do her. Yes, surgery every I must say one. It's our own contribution. It's our own contribution. Since say nipa ni bi was system no mu. Almost so here bisa. Nina yabai hwese yabahwe ni nyina kakra so won say ufuti prekope epawo a emoja beba sisi ya wia hedan ya yabenante na ye nante so a ebe affect all areas into wo ha na say bia bibisa ato na ye nyanuru ho a nya abotre ye bompa ye say de tie bia na bedru so ye be ye wo so de amawo na ye hu say legends ne ye wo ho say ye baba bepo ye ho den nyina ye njintu enu ntina friends the dues no ehia papa financial position ya de amamo executive ya ti hai min jindi say obi wa adwin bi say sebe sika kakra na ye ba no ye baba abaji ye de be private business and ye baba abaji no we can't do that if you say before the legends na be ba no na sebe ye mu ye nyina ye wa adwuma ye dididi but say ye nipa ni bi behu om no ma ye mmobo enura ye executive meeting obi mention Kwaku Minka or ha baby where there just a semi-car, pure private, and then I will be healthy there. But said the baby health insurance and omunje card no. And until mommy and confanochi. And also so confanochi so suggest here and so no. I decided to say Bekwaku doctor be normal my consult particular consulting room bia. Ya kwa ombe my priority kakra. Na yan konko delay so. Now with your card no okwa na ya show. Now what me acontem. They refer to the card, no. Your card be a legends. Your card be a yes. Obia only bibia no. The free has say no. Bon and as a poama. And ye my men fan showns are as a reporting. The best showns obia only Asante Kotoko legend card no. Home ye near been from more. I don't know a source of identification. Here can't Asante Kotoko, retired players, now legends. Kotoko Abakwasem, the history of Kotoko. Sadly, we are here in Sida. Say Kotoko, Omaya Bobo in Jai. So many years ago, be 20 years, be 30 years, be 40 years. Malik, 40 years. And then Yenaya Baba Shimo. Nipa ni bi wo grandpa senya partner ye be hia nka ye hu se wakoto kokora da but amba phone no afa mi
Eba.
yes enti senya me aya dum na ya bedu sam pepe so ya anam se yes we are fun phone into silence. Someone said about ya and discontinue. That meeting is historic. Since I can say appreciate for so everyone will Zoom. It's very, very important. You be one. Zoom for no I don't know how to introduce
the names comes here. Prince Ajimandua.
Or Accra. But I want to me Banti or join
Eric
Jemfi.
Germany.
Samuktam for number 2 Zoom. I'm going to near and then
Dada
Asamoah. Yes.
Eric
Jemfi. Dada Asamoah.
Biara. One kind who say, as a sports player, footballer, we are first half of our life into Yawa. Your second half, said ye Ubesia show Ubesia handle Ubesia. I try so open your connection to the rest of people around you, people before you. I know na the last chance. Ubetima year before one day you'll be no more. Inti, I know you're very, 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 very important to us. Musha, Ubia Wahabia and ye dini before. And there, and ye didn't and I can't about you. You are on your own now, even trying to find food to eat. Some beg. Yabaya Dina, Yayi Yahun Afrisa situation after football. And Nuna leader Edikan Kai, you know. Ye binumun try na yenko into coaching, binumun try na yenko into other ventures like administration, binumun even referees, refereeing. Try and be. You can be. I didn't think the time I show. Oh, don't mind Zito, not a boy. I go. Gentlemen, men for Niagara, this is the last show you can give to yourself. One, there are a lot of us are yet here. A year nibi. Binumukura ni girlfriends. Oh, am I telling lies? Johnny, I was say obiara once I will be first half of your life. No, you must plan for the second half of your last life. Obiara fun very serious. Very, very, very serious. I was so you're independent on yourself. Don't need help from people. Hey, on you. Oh, yeah, what ball I used to be and there was rest idea. Who wants to be in that position? You have to think for yourself. You must say the word or more fear. You must say, why not in football? Why? What is can you then? And then you think and see, sir, you were stupid. Sebu. Sankasas can bow in some now. Maybe anchor over top plot. That is the beginning of a house. Until let's think now. Beyond Jenna and man home and Juno Yanku Juno wow. How can I make my way out? Meet my independent of myself. Minya beggar. Minya a liability. Yes, sir. Respect no I here no. Thank you very much.
The Lord of Lord Opoku, the Lord of the Great Theft, Edim Komo on Oripa TV. Lord, you want to Oripa TV,
Yeah, yeah.
Bibi aboko.
About that, I'm a boko. Meti won't catch you.
You show now. As is the original day.
David, more than come home. And you come as senior.
The Edikai, same way, my watching, and this is the time we busao. The question is, management be a bar, why a player, why a management, why the team name as general manager. Be a say, bar is a Kojiska board. The badge is a Kojiska board. This time around, second season for the Nayan Punsa. Club na self-financing. Manfwa shall say the net to Tomo. Manfwa shall say the net to 2 KKs upon. Manfwa shall say the net to 2 rabbits. I say we will tear fancy.
Well, as for comparison, there, one way the other, it is a ball is the player we better to play where the player better to sign a call. Until one way the other, no. If one of the biggest problems Kotoko your and another kind, you know, see Uncle Africa. So as for comparison, honey dear. The workers say ABA Nipoji Africa ma Kotoko, which is ABA Mr. Beua. Only a year ahead because on the G Africa ma any FD in here. Besides that, you know, a beam till now. So comparison no dear. And yeah, no important now, but how Yenina come together to help Kotoko to win Africa, no important.
And now, football Bernard Asante Kotoko, Tim Bella might leave, Fabio Gama, possibly Omabim, football Bernard management, and then the coach ahead of the Africa.
At this time, Dean say Obetimia, I say, Inisa Umuyesi, because Quanchan DFA, you say this can. And he who knows it, who feels it, knows it. And at this particular point, Nanaya situation, the finance at the same. Because if say, ultimately and gather team whereby even winning bonus could be a ultimate, and also another problem. And you know, say if say Obiba caught Mananya scam or the ayat, to say that now can we begin and I will say self finance. So if a self finance here, then a coin be also gather money somewhere somehow. No team and move on with the team. A baby to me about say players or the babano, a big crab me a better chance the Ohono. And the only thing I am who can crowd money say, yeah, Africa. And Africa, no. So, assemble new players are any easy for you to break through. Because Team B, it's a North African teams, you know. Players now born for 4 years, so many more. One who they make an experience, you know, more Africa so to us. And who do be better? Maybe Africa crow more bidder. If you all crown around the first time of the AG championship in Ghana, and in inexperience sometimes account to. And apart from that, and also, gel, no chemistry, no intimate work, the way also work. Africa is very tough, and you need to prepare well to get there.
Kotoko team no season ye pwamui o best player anyway.
Makan and Mesa Kabio, maybe best player and a player consistent, who training Bibia or give you the best near you. Maybe Abu Imoro. Ibrahim.
All right, coach Prosper Nate Ogum. Onosu no performance in the same.
Also, why idea, most of the time, no, who gather new team with new coach and yeah, easy. Say, bet me a jelly, you know, sir. We hear history now of Kotoko and 10 is one who they mentioned. Team, you know, coach need the new tactics neighbor, the system of play. Players no see new, obi any mo papa. And you know the movement near you sometimes I'm working. But thank God this year, no, right from the blast of the whistle of the league, you know, who's a Kotoko take lead, you know. And then I'm prosper make us why dear papa.
Lord, Yabadasi.
Insumedas.
Coach Malik Jabil, Dudona friend Johnny Edim Komo, Johnny Yamakwaba.
Oh, yeah, so. I just say,
Nyamiadum. Johnny, this is a question. Ya Transi Bebusa. Asante Kotoko qualify Kobo CAF Champions League. First of all, season Kasankasa, who players no more than bossing.
oh, Kotoko winning with 17 good points. I know Chelsea, no challenger. In Chelsea, Omoya, youngsters are no beyond Joe Moan too. Time I coach in the foul, no beyond rebel. And they won the league with 17 points to others.
Johnny, who believes this team represents Ghana and Asante Africa?
Oh, about even if you are professionals in Accra, look at the way they are recruiting players, poaching players to reinforce our team. Sana, I was saying, we will also reinforce our team. For these old guys in Kwan, say they call Africa, we will reinforce it. They have to reinforce it.
Management, management, there's a story that Kotoko appointed board BR management and board on the management in this car in an nonsense era. The club is self-financing in his second season. One GCKB board no and for running team, no sponsorship by and out the running team. Now, one for shall say, Edna to Ura Hebet Mensanom, KK Saponom, as a legend former coach of the club. What is answer we are now funny say?
Oh, I don't know. Meaning exactly what is happening in Kotoko. Whether CEO no sponsor everything in Kotoko, I don't know. Whether some management is so buono financially, no border, I don't know. But what I'm saying is that why don't they all add their resources? CEO no feels what you mean resources for the baby. Why don't you connect the management? Let them bring in their resources. Board bring their resources. It will be a much bigger resource than the three individuals. They should all come together with their resources and build a better Kotoko. That's what I am praying for.
Kotoko season on boy no you can say best player no way.
Well, your goalkeepers no more idea. And your number 3 no more captain no, he was exceptional. Then one boy with the long hair no, what were in Fifi no. He did no Mbella yeah French for no. But
Talking about Agadas.
he's a young guy, you know, midfield, lefty, with a long head like a woman. He was also very effective. But you can now see that we had other people, like in Bella, goals, like this, even Brazilian, they all created the chances. In all, no, the team has done well.
In the issue of your tongue players, Fabio Gama reporter say or call reporter say Mbella and Subeko. Johnny, what is answer now? Funny say.
You feel sir, it will be a bit disheartening to see them go. If they can keep them, they should try and keep them.
A foot out of Kotoko supporters and legends, Manso, and they will meet in a
Well, Futu Amedebama supporters, and they said, me who said, and maybe almost deserted team. Me, I'm a coach training me, only the coach in the players, no support the Biani. The is idea say in you. So, almost process, sir, Kotokone or Mudia, you must follow it till the end. Don't desert anybody, don't desert management, don't desert anybody, don't desert the players. Come to park. These days, they don't come to park. So, you are winning. What are you going to say? Over to my blame, I'm only champions. Musumo and Bapa, Omo and Yeska. It doesn't sound well.
What is Ebedasi? Name no. Say, we're a legend for Asante Kotoko. Coach, you're part of the Mokwaba.
Yo, thank you.
Coach, I'm Mekai 1978, man for say the Ballon d'Or. I want 70 say.
Well, I know it's a long time, but I history song. Something like now. That was the second time I BSc or Ghana. Now first person I was just had in Ibrahim Sunday. Origin 71. And I'm making 78. So, but that I said, it's a great feeling. Say, what's your kind? Any club level, any national team, Ghana, Yabo Cup of Nation, Ghana. Your boy who ye, Sabi, Nipa Buan who ye, Buan me any day, any training no sooner a boy, Emma, Etimi Kuano. Now, I know a teamwork. A Bako, so never say, wow, born whom I didn't so, Miss Abo, me whom what is Sukaho, Sabi, me, I'll go by me, Baku crowds, very, very critical. Now, game said the corner Eddie, many Tunisia, so no Omuna, the team, a country I call World Cup, Argentina 78. So, I coach almost semi final. Yet, the uncle be now, so a crew. It's also a crime be also. Yetimi show mo. Matching a code and night, Papa. Until the best 70 minutes. And now, Sabi, a player back where I want the baby called Isaac Quick. When your ball be very long ball, my friend, no the two. See, I see you make cheaper. Now go to Barnes, say, oh, Piaba. So before we win another ball than it. Until one connecting, one cock of our ball, or Bechami and Sana, or Boybono.
Coach, Mami Musa, Asante Kotoko qualified for CAF Champions League. What Bobida, Bibiawa Hum, a football and Asante Kotoko going to the Africa.
Well, what they call the Azabi, Africa, they are Omuya Pania in Africa. So you can't have Champions League, Omuya Pania in African football. Oma kobia ebi ma akwaji ebi so akwakodu final ebi so akwakodu semi final so nti enye adifo from am na so na football no seven the beka say akọ kakra the case akọ from kakra and say changing of players every time changing of players and a changing of coaches oh nti team no nye standard said e be ya obetimi dia face teams na wo kwahia wo no because South Africa in a bono if North Africa countries no more dominating they go professional real professional call Ali call Malik call Esperance call Tuali Sahel Sfaxien call Raja Casablanca call Wag de Morocco then TP Mazambe they are well organized, they have the players, they pay them just like going to Europe. They don't go, they prefer staying in their country. So they don't move in and out. We call her now we are called Debbie. So move far foreign so Baku mienu miasa. The rest are all local. And omudi bono. So in Tina Debiano they have an advantage and an edge over us here because it's a Kotoko Airline, the real league. Ebia omo boy no. Se omutimi jina omunaso air training. Obi obanya 1 or 2 bi abade but enye se dudu na na beko na dudu fufu aba o de ontimi nko bebia so nti no enu susu this time no they should try mini na yawo am say house match no mini kasa say moment na akwa ebia you start some not friendly matches here, going to Togo and get a friendly match, going to Burkina or the more very good teams, take them up, going to Ivory Coast. Or have said Africa, once over ball. But Malik, when you start Mali and Joliba, very strong. You call Arabs in the no about English in the no about French in the no want to know who start of play. No, you call a better wow. But and then no more ball at that friendly match. Teams are not strong here. So until no, we need to come on. Say, if you say, what CS as well, about wow.
Coach Darzi.
Yo, Mr. Darzi.
All right, inti ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko Legends no one more a meeting. This is a grand a lot of former players by your chairman for the Legends, Ura Kennedy, George Kennedy. Opinion on Kwaba Report TV.
Yes.
Meeting no say now usi huno.
Yes, a very, very exciting meeting. To start with, Papa Legend, association, I started on the platform. Now, yet to me, I got that nipa by 200. But coming face to face with one another, this is the first time. Jabil, we will have 10 years in an we will have 20 years in one initiative. Inti obi a hu na chesa no ne be hia na very, very exciting. Yedin komo bebre asres ya kai good old days time na e bobo no na ayensia na di jokes na e krake ene face na e nigie papa papa.
Mushia say no ye wo ebi mu ho no ma wotum say physically ebi nante cry drink kra ebi nso yare sa omo welfare no as this legend club mo fa say
ne popa the intra yet legends no ni sunsun so ne kese ne far by it's about the welfare of retired Kotoko player for that matter legends and no one ye bedwendwen ne also be about active football to some extent bia no beja ball no na ko kakra wo baby na as much as we nyini no na sa no ko na yi ne ho adi omo amohwe ne yie no ebinom atumi nante kama omo for some reasons in omo ntumi anhwe ne yie no obo nse omo didem omo na omo ba bo nse na I say omo togusun kakra eno no ye trans ya na ehwe hu nse ya nhwe ma ye nkrofo yi enko into that system no all the time inti yanka ye humbom na ehwe the welfare of a retired Kotoko player na ehwe mmoa ye betumi edi aboa wo eno nti na yate Kotoko legends no. Basically, your idea behind this legends is about our welfare.
Okay, Ejumano son. munya sika bi free baby apart from the high sense sponsorship Kotoko omo we ne match amonsaka no munya mo bi free baby.
Yes, starting the nanka mwa bia and free baby na ye gigi ya hu deals nkakra nkakra. Every month bia na every member bia 10 cedis. Na eno danchen na your optional contributions. Ye say bia obi yare na ne yare no hia immediate attention na the two platform no so a eno the optional obo hu no obi the 100 aba, obi the 200 aba, obi the 50 aba, obi the 300 aba, abrochire for na boy en papa eno na ye depending on ya ba bedum pempen so bi. But see any de nyame ncha de Asante Kotoko main team na management ne board no ma recognize here and na omo pay sponsorship the mind that is the high sense and the high sense na ba so ya sene ama say ye move on say every match bia Kotoko be she bia no omo ma 4,000 ababa boy en papa ama ye to take care of some of our players na omo ebi kura ese so mo ko surgery ebi no ko hospital prescription de be ma omo no ebi ne nam 2,000 na kesanka say legends ni wana nka mo bia en free baby but we na enya ne kakran no e de yakwa ni mo papa ama yatumi ahwe enkrofo no bi.
Question ya na manfo busare say sika ya high sense de mamu yi me so mbo Kotoko mkojim sika de me kwa yesei sika no sabio musaka mo chema mo ho ana se mo de koto muku no futuo.
Yes, Kotoko Legends has come to stay. Now you register, club no, and until your constitution, there be accounts. And until they meeting one of our agenda. Say a bed teach the moon, Sikana Gia the day. Says Ghana Bano, intermediate can is basically for our welfare. And yes, a Jessica Chama, who say, when you way. Young, so 4,000. They calculate Sika in Yai free moon. All the matches, about 18 matches. Never nipa 200, say, Cassia Chesicanoa, Yebeche, but within 1 month, 2 months, no, Obedia Manasa. Now, Yaria or Dawa, man, never Baba. So, and near my generals were the tea legends, baby, young who are home ones there, Obi or how Yare. Yabetian is a free moon or Bokotoko. Nay, ye crown who's a Kotoko Nibia was here, Unkotoko Penimobia was here, just because ye who are so Yaka and Huabomi, so be Yaria, Nasa Yariano, so you say, obey him wow, every baby, and near the two platforms immediately. Mohana, we must say, no, we must say, no, we must say. Indeed, she said, no, basically, it's about our welfare. Yanjis can say about Baba check. Yagia, the cockatoo accounts. Now, Obi and who can, nay, call Aquacujano say ye, Nemame free money, papa free moon, the bear free moon, a year free moon, near Corner Aquacujana, ye near Bons Wakakra.
Finally, Kotoko qualified for the CAF Champions League as legends for the club. And I am Chief Executive Officer, playing body no. Most legends in the Anamoya club no, be a futu na modern I am ahead of the Africa. As I say, here can Mudia Mahua Africa, Mudia Mahua.
A footward dear, Yanni a bit to make an FDA so. A be 1-on-1. But ye buy no impact our club on also. We can say with authority say legends no ye buy together and ye impact our club on also. Number 1, your core training grounds. Anyone could ding come after training. Anyone could ding come. A banner sanoa say a bomb match, nay a baby baby near whom 1 or 2 things be your too many coach in this year. Now I can say bad training grounds ye whom way by better match so you who way. Until if you say horns obey to me, I a whole year, no, I whole year. I mean, you didn't put a baby. A last match, nay, medium, a quackable. Some match was a deciding match. See, a winning match and a winning league, no. And then medium attack was no go area. That's Yenina, it's not say, who called by way for near Frey. Now I am Ponsa, being the CEO. Why are they Pamama Monabaso? Your friend will say, and then Kodana Cocosa training grounds. But your pepper say, Bedi Machiakotaqua. I was no problem. You buy her bass among Mamodiaco. The acquire boys knew who say about a free training grounds. Now, say, I follow them up to Takwa, and some of him not, and who can be about woman. Lo and behold, your Tumisha 2-0. I want a no go area. for a very long time. Near to me, share
Premier League era now.
yes, near to me, share more Honda. But here feels when and I buy and I to me win a league. No, I'm who say yes, so in your impact our club, and so I am positive.
Okay. Kotoko former players are Mukui, one more encounter.
A footwear, I remember saying, Naya Kanwaha. Obia, what is a Kotoko legends in the so born one day, could I watch a Kotoko Jesse? You invite you, Obia, Yanji any registration fee. The Oba which you and say every month to be Oba was said that qualifies you to be a member of the legends. Every member, every month to be able to adjust 10 cities. And Untino more month now. Obia officer or Kotoko Dabia, and you are invited. If it's a woman, the better watch now. Yet why will be a name the basic watching. Ebi a sign be to me to Nanka Wanka Sankasano, to me and Sano. But yet still, one some one in the pa. Taubaba become one, that's a which be free baby bar. Near you to me ababa wow.
And he ever does. Kuku Darzi, a legend of Asante Kotoko, Edin Komo, Maminika Musao, former Blasters captain. Yen opening. Send a city Asante Kotoko Ghana League, you know. Team Nuhun is saying.
Well, thank you for this opportunity. The American Kotoko was this season league, you know. And I believe that the reasons are Omaduma Waji League is that they had a good management. The playing body was okay. The technical team also helped. And I believe that football is about teamwork. Okay? So the components, you know, the playing body, the technical team, the management, and the board worked together to achieve this feat.
Okay, what about Team Nibida? The story now is there is Sikana kwa Africa. Inti young ton players nibi ni Sika. Sekoto kwa Africa. Now all ton players nibi no. As former Blasters captain, as former players Asante Kotoko, uhuni saying.
Well, in the modern football, Damina Otsi, if any club, a certain player, when you maza, when you feel. But a better mazina, I dare plan. You don't just sell your player or key player just like that. You see, football is about money. So if we can cater for our local players now, for instance, Wabo League when winning now, with more motivation, more incentives, their salary, when winning bonuses. Say if it's going up, like the Arab, they put in a lot of money. Okay, that is the difference. So most of the clubs in Ghana, we only wait to sell a player before they can get money to run the club. Okay, but a club in Ankara, I don't know resources are to also run the club. Not necessarily depending on a player about turn and son.
Okay, Benny Yabadasi.
Yeah, starting football. Coaches no baba gina enim say na YouTuberika. Why say YouTuberika enim? Ye baby is end training na nyede. And then YouTuberika because we didn't know the essence of why you are training. The presentation alone should say ignite na utimu hu ni esa we first and foremost. But bibia sisa you know my coach, you are very, very lucky, sir. Myself and Coach Frimpong, we are part of the instructors in our air economy. Now, somebody to Obiensu sorry Kase, Yan Ma na Omunkusku. True. The gateway to the world is education. only education, forget it. Though enye sika sem na ye kan obi on school so sika. Like myself here, when me call France, in terms of goal scoring, we didn't do well. In terms of performance and creativity, to the end, we were the best. So at the end of the day, I will enjoy the best coach. What follows? I say me call forum to talk with all the coaches, what they call them. So imagine Manco School. Now my coach now bro for him now. Me kasa. I said busy. I wouldn't even me call. Matthias here. So education is very, very important. Now, if you are a coach, how do you learn? By asking questions. We have senior coaches in the system. Ask them. Don't feel shy. Matthias here. They say, "Amamu Carlos say mon fail." Baby, because they don't know how to go about it, and then they don't want to ask. You understand me? And it's a one bisa questions are you will never go nowhere. Of late, people will go and Google and then they will paste. It is not your mind, it is somebody's mind. How do you understand the subject yourself? You see, coaching is putting your thinking into action. That's it. That's what coaching meant. Coaching is putting your thinking into action. That is coaching. So I can decide to do something. You don't ask me why. You just pick it and go. You understand me? So in short, you know, those of us who are still in coaching, you are people like us. Who beside me question, who beside me be name you understand me? You are paying Kuku. Muti say you introduce me progress. Tama ye audience callance see. At that time it's not easy. You know, misu no or high and misu me any bibi. They say we are na or tro until next person now oh yeah no or tro we no pejano so see progress. Into one coach in Cape Coast or you're confused. On progress in fact. Let me see Papa we menyano. It just drew me sooner me I see Zito progress me see I'm doing cooling down. Hey, busy cooling down. By shadow crowd and me about it. You see, self-confidence. I told him straight for it. So say you need confidence in yourself to ask questions, to seek knowledge from those above you are, madam for sleep. Overcome be our own. Education has no end. Education has no end. Football coaching is practical. Niami meya feel say defensive. Obitimate we offensive. So if you don't know, and now who are man gazo onim say what go bisa. Yeah, so we have to help ourselves. My coach is Bibri Shamasi this time around. Even the coach of Kotoko, me can't be no about Kotoko. Me did not call. He was in Karela. He had a problem. He called me. Then I took him to Wafa. And before he went to Wafa, I told him, you are going to see different type of coaching. Come down to the level and you see. Kotoko came. You all sat down. We decided, go. Opportunity when you will be an area. Go. And then he went. Now Eric Queen is coming. The Piara Ohami. The Piara Ohami. Go Stars. One friend me. Me and me a friend say Michael Coy. So I have so many coaches under me that I guide. Me guide them all the time. I give them me only born and Michelle we say I knew. Do go see. But yes, so please. Maybe Kotoko share me. I just call the coach straightforward. Mr. Michelle, once my children will lose until you say. So this is how we go about it. Until the mono, moye coaches, please, mamuye, so feeling so big, try to come down to the level of learning. Education of no end, we are still learning. And when I was called to the forum, after I finished, Norwegian FSY invited me in November that I should come to Norway, and then the same forum of the World Youth Development Trainers. And one of Adrian Bevington, former England national team director, watching me sections be Darzi. So I'll come to me, I'll give it to you. Who call me Kamusisia, media da Mikano. In Ghana, Metmagase, Mingwana Miudi. And then when you go through it, Ebeboa Kasi, and Timoa Moya Kuchiso. Here we are. You say me we inquire their messenger or PDF in the amount. Now, Ukwa no print, print here, Ionia. So you should be reading. Thank you very much.
I was here, a coach Karim Zito, or a legend for Asante Kotoko, and legends in Shiamuha meeting. A legend for Asante Kotoko, Kotoko Ajili, from afar, Nombo Kumase. This team sent us and coach Prosperity Ogum, and what the bonus is saying.
So far, so good, because the ultimate is to win the league, and he has been able to win the league. So there's nothing you can see now. Aside winning the league, so they play nice football. The combination of play was there and everything, but you can't be 100%. Whilst you are playing, you'll be correcting until perfection comes in. So in the game of football, I say repetition brings automation, and automation brings perfection. And for now, what team are qualifying on? What next is Africa. So to me, Kotoko have done well. The management too have done well, and then the coach too have done well.
Mami Musa, your boss team could coach Karim Zito exceptional. Asante Kotoko before best at the league, PK second division players, first division players with coach Prosperity Ogum, with Timmy Diomoji league, that assertion say the next chance still in the league. Just say the niche juvenile teams
Seriously, I think I was interviewed about that, and I'm seeing almost call for the second division players. So anka almost coach like Ogunwa, I would say they can make it. But Ogun, before coming to Kotoko, went to the same institution I went through, and I know in Titia the man because when I was taking him there, I told him that he's going to see a different style of coaching in development, and I will share the well coaching. Those who have made names, majority of them are youth trainers. Pep Guardiola, club, Liverpool and co. You understand me? So I remember quite well. I told them, with Ogun, I'm okay. Sankanyo Ogunwa, and then I will have a little bit of doubt in that. Ogun, so he has proved everybody say he has passed through the institution of WAFA, and then he knows how to maintain and develop young players. And they are winning league.
Coach, the standard of our league just ended league. Only saying, boys no modern ball they play.
Well, you see, sometimes you don't respect what you have. To be honest with you, you don't respect what you have until say, you see, all life now, and run a kodayo, but you be man sorry, we be one team or yare. So all the time it's like we always see say, yeah, because we have been looking at foreign. So we are using foreign always to judge Ghana, which I see is not right. Now, it happens that I went to France. Well, to the people in Ghana, we didn't do well, but in terms of performance and creativity, Ghana was superb. So I was chosen as the best coach, and then selected to come to the forum and then talk to them on development. And then they gave me 5 star. You understand? They gave me 5 star. Norwegian FA Kura, I invite him in November. Remember another the World Training Youth Developmental Coaches, remember. So you can easily say, free baby, more the codenum. And the more you look at foreign, you always look down upon Ghana football. But look at where there are certain things that were not part. But now, for more than decade, now under 20, what you say, but last 2 years, we were able to reach winning, and then over man, maybe a World Cup, maybe I say, I think it is coming, but gradually. And yeah, dear, you bit man in ne, what you say. So I think Ghanaians should have patience a little for the FE and then see the way forward, because you see, there are certain things that were not part of Ghana League, but and they don't only judge the winning teams because we win. That is no. We should also see that. Also, why say Ejuani Yedin Kakran say Eskasem, and then the way the projection of Ghana football is going on, people are afraid even to come in to see Messi, and I say Messi. Things are not going too well, but they are also the FA is doing they are trying to come out of the best, out of what we have. And to me, it was very, very competitive. Look at it, even at the time I covered 3-4 matches. You don't even until Kotoko, Eka 2, and they also Kotoko Veggie League, But in terms of until the last match, and they also be our relegation. Even those me. Baby, and I'm arguing with team because even though we were threatening for once that here with all the president of Ghana football behind us, so you see the argument here. We have to save ourselves, and we're able to pass the test. And then, to me, I would say it's not bad, but it is not the best we wanted to reach, but we are on the way.
The future of under 20, it is saying, Matisse, what can be say free banner, under 20, this under 20, with the quality could on the show.
You see, this under 20, yes, we couldn't do well. There are so many reasons, but that put aside a free almost and that time there was no league. There was no Premier Division, there was no second, there was no first. It was me and them throughout. But we know there was no consistency too much. But when we started, the FA president came and told us this team is the best. What you say? But you can be the best. That doesn't mean you win the cup. You can play good, but at the end you lose. You can play bad, but at the one chance you get, you make good use of it. So I still stand say, even though we didn't do well, what I say, but that this under 20, we went to France. Our match against Venezuela was rated the best game, but it was draw. But per the competition regulations, draw penalty, and then we lost on penalty. So you see that the boys over here are you very, very impressed. But that was what happened, and then so that was what I said. The FA senior 17, those in the 20 now young 17, and fan count and started say by the time I be doing, because sometimes we are late in preparation. Seriously, we are late in preparation because with the youth there, I said we check. A longer period to come out. Look, we see the level of intelligence is not the same. The level of endurance is not the same. And you are giving about 30 players to synchronize their brain, to synchronize their ability and capability to be one. It takes time.
Who's you heard us?
Thank you very much.
Now, what could do, baby? Young fans of a store. What may I add a container about our receiver? Sorry. Now we so am wow. Get started anybody maybe they want what to me practically. They do no one to me. Now what could do, baby? Young fan is over so store. What may I add a container about our receiver?